Welcome to 8482 Media Tutorials, where today we will cover basic math addition in Google Sheets. We'll do so for adjacent cells as well as cells across the spreadsheet. Getting into a production scenario in which output is measured over a fiscal quarter, we have set up data collection cells for January through March. In this case, the cells we will work with are adjacent in row 3 across columns C through E. Therefore, the formula for addition is simply equal SUM open paren C3 colon E3 close paren. Now, let's add cells that are not adjacent. After copying data from our first quarter, we add the quarterly totals of Q1, Q2, Q3, and Q4. We begin our formula, equal F3 plus, and continue with F7 plus, F11 plus, F15, hit enter, and that's it. Thank you for visiting 8482 Media Tutorials, and we'll see you in the next video.